Last one, number 7, it's important to give good nutritional and sleep habits. So what does it mean? Very easy. It's important for you to give food that will strengthen the brain. So you need to give food that will strengthen your child's brain, even your brain. So you can try salmon, dark chocolate, it needs to be dark chocolate, walnut, and blueberries. So when your child is asking for snack, remember, you need to give dark chocolate, walnut, blueberry, and salmon. You understand when I say, a snack. When your child is hungry, or you say, oh, I don't want what to give, instead of giving high sugary treat that everybody loves, you can think about walnut. You can think about, oh, let's try dark chocolate. At first, they're not going to like it as much as what they used to eat, but you're going to see that they will enjoy it because they will see the benefit of it. And also, you can eat with your child so your child can see that it's good. So remember, walnut, blueberry, dark chocolate, and also every week try to eat salmon if you eat fish, but if not, you have the 3 first. Last thing, it's important to have a good sleep pattern. Children don't like to sleep. It's like, for me, I believe that they think that they're missing out. It's like, you send us to sleep and you're not sleeping. What are you doing? But you have to teach your child. You are very tired. Your body is tired. You're fighting the sleep, but please go to bed. Just send your child to bed, and don't go, that back and forth, because you're going to see that then it will become your routine, because the child will think that for me to fall asleep, I need to have that back and forth. So don't have the back and forth. You need to be really strict at the beginning. Oh, but it's time to sleep. Stay on your bed, and then the child will understand that, okay, because it's bedtime, I cannot be moving. I need to fall asleep, and your child will fall asleep very, very easily. So please DM and reach out for more.